birthday.
But for a few parents today, their kids join an elite birthday club that only celebrates every 4 years. CBS 2's Jim Williams reports on the leap year baby.
Happy birthday to you. At Christ Hospital in Oak Lawn, the doctors and nurses brought out cakes and candles for babies who will have birthdays only as often as we hold presidential elections.
We're giving them their first birthday, so they don't really have to wait 4 years.
They deserve it. Leap day babies like Caden here will have to put up with a lifetime of jokes.
Every 4 years I celebrate his birthday.
William, only an hour old when we shot this video, was supposed to arrive 5 days ago.
I kept telling him, you better come, you're only going to get a birthday every 4 years.
He said that's okay with me.
That's okay.
Some soon-to-be parents at Christ Hospital were actually keeping their fingers crossed that their babies would not be born on February 29th.
Yesterday, people were saying, I want to have my baby today because I don't want to have it tomorrow when the baby won't really have a birthday, for 4 years.
But once the babies arrive and they're healthy,
they're excited, thrilled, it doesn't matter what day it is.
The hospital expects 10 babies to be born today. They'll be part of a very small section of the U.S. population. Only 1% of Americans have February 29th birthdays. That could actually be something to celebrate.
I'm really excited. I wanted it to be a leap year.
You did?
Yeah, because it's a special day.
And when they're 84, they can claim only to be 21. Jim Williams, CBS 2 News.